We are getting a frightening look at this image of Hurricane Ida as she bears down on the Gulf Coast.
As an extremely dangerous Cat 4 storm, winds reaching 150 miles an hour.
Ida has made landfall near Port Fourchon, Louisiana, as a devastating Category 4 hurricane.
One of the strongest storms to make landfall here in modern time.
So the boat was sideways almost. Pretty much capsized in the water, but some way, somehow, we did it.
The fifth strongest hurricane to hit the U.S. mainland in recorded history.
There is no doubt that the coming days and weeks are going to be extremely difficult for our state.